Let's go. Let's interrupt this live stream. Huh? Wow, what is that? What? Valrhona? Rona chocolate cheesecake? We're still searching for Burger King. For some reason we're inside H&M now. Wow. If anyone knows, what is that building? You have to get it off the secret menu. 5 patties. 好壮观. 好壮观. Oh, welcome back to another video. If you haven't seen the last video, go and watch the last video. We were stopping at the Holiday Inn. We've now moved out from the Holiday Inn because we had a bit of an issue with them. I'm not going to go into it, but shame on you, Holiday Inn, Guiyang, if you're watching. Shame on you. Right, so now we've actually moved to another hotel. We've moved to the Renaissance Hotel, which I must say is probably one of the best hotels I've ever stayed in. It's got a swimming pool, gym, amazing, sauna, steam room. You get a bath in the room. It's like a nice sized room, pretty big, comfy bed. Hats off to you, Renaissance Hotel. Went swimming yesterday. I got a bit of a blockage going in the whole face area. I think that's from swimming, and I might have swallowed some of the swimming pool water. Probably swallowed about 2 mouthfuls. I don't know why. Anyway, so I'm a bit nasally today. Anyway, let's stop rambling and let us get out and explore the streets of Guiyang. Let's get out of here. Truly, just a really nice hotel. Just everything's right. Hats off to you, Renaissance Hotel. I think it's run by Marriott. Just everything's just lovely. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Come closer. Always stay safe when you're traveling. Gooey. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Just press once here.
Press stop recording.
Which one?
Stop recording. They've even got a little camera here to detect how much Rona you have. Wow, we've just come to a place. It's called CC Park. It's some kind of shopping mall, Venice type. They went for the old Venice style. You can even go on a little gondolier, and it goes inside into the building. Wow. Wow, just look at this. This is actually quite impressive. Ah, what's this? Ah, it looks like some kind of Banksy style artwork on the walls. The sky has a bit of a Truman Show style to it. You know, from that Jim Carrey movie. Wow. Wow, DJI store. I should pop in and get my first ever drone. If I get some more subscribers, then I might be able to get a drone. Oh, what a nice place. Just nicely done. Really nicely done, Guiyang, gotta say. Hats off to Guiyang for making this nice place. Ah, Huawei store. Burgers? Burger restaurant. A lot of nice looking restaurants. What's this? In Time. Taste beyond boundaries. And just a French bulldog. A lot of nice looking places. Oh, it's a dessert store. Wow, what is that? What? Valrhona? Rona chocolate cheesecake?
Chili is cold. Can you see my breath?
It is cold. It's a little bit chilly. It's a little bit chilly today. And this store here, or this brand, Bolon, you just get rid of that B, change it to a C, and then you've got a brand name for you. Colon. Bakery? Pastry store? Look at the size of this massive Chinese flag. I can actually tell you something about the Chinese flag. You see the largest star represents the Chinese Communist Party, CCP, and then the other 4 smaller stars I think represents the different social classes, like working class, farmers, and then there's a few others I don't know. If anyone knows, then let me know in the comments below. Man, I think that's the biggest Chinese flag I've ever seen. Wow. This is a nice area. It kind of reminds me of London's Canary Wharf. Whoa, look at that skyscraper there, just disappears into the clouds. Impressive. I need to learn how to say impressive in Chinese. How do you say impressive in Chinese?
Impressive. Wow.
Wow. Impressive.
好壮观 Magnificent. Magnificent.
Magnificent.
好壮观
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 好壮观 Wow, got a lot of claw machines here. Let's have a look inside. Oh, unlucky, didn't win. Man, this is a weird place. I almost walked into... this is a mirror. I almost walked into the glass. The little kid's trying to get a Pikachu. I actually wouldn't mind getting a Pikachu myself. We just found some kind of Thai restaurant that we're gonna try. It looks quite interesting. They even have Thai writing here on the screen. Hello? That's the name there. Wow. Hello? Where do you want to sit in? My cup only loves you. Interesting. Tom Yum soup has arrived. Wow, yum. Some type of green curry has arrived with toast. I guess I'm supposed to dip in here. Wow, these little bits of toast dipped in the tom yum. It is absolutely... my chicken curry has arrived, so let's taste it. Wow, we've come into the center of Guiyang now. Wow, just look at that up there. Just a mountain in between the buildings. Wow, insane. Look at those twin towers over there. Fairmont. Guess this is the CBD. Seems like the center. Wow, that's impressive. Whoa, what is this building? There's some kind of like European style to it. Some kind of live stream vlogger. Let's go. Let's interrupt this live stream.
Can I go on the back?
Huh? Hello.
Hello.
Wow, just interrupting a guy's live stream. I wonder if anyone can find that live stream and see me in it for a second. What is this building? Does anyone know? Should we go this way then, so we can? Let's head this way. Well, this is an absolutely lovely area. Wow, I didn't know a place like this existed in Guiyang. I think this is the new town. Why is there a chain here? A green chain. So we're not allowed to go that way, are we? Wow. I'm not used to all these tall buildings around. Slim, modern twin towers there. People taking selfies in the park and having a lovely time. Wow. If anyone knows what is that building, it looks like the royal family of China's building. Wow. If anyone knows what this building is, then leave it in the comments below, because it looks fantastic. Imagine if that was your house. That was
It looks like empty.
That was your mansion. I wonder what it's used for. Maybe that's
Someone's house.
someone's house. That's the mayor of Guiyang's house. The Don. That's the Don of Guiyang. If anyone knows who the Don of Guiyang is, then that must be his house over there. Because it is an impressive mansion. That is a true, proper mansion. I mean, can you imagine how much that land costs to build on there? In the center. Right in the center here. With a lake as well. Wow. This is an impressive place. So Guiyang is the capital city of Guizhou province. I think I've said that about 90 times in this vlog. And also it's a second tier city. Many of you in the comments below were saying that it should be a third tier city, and it's only a second tier city because it is indeed the capital. Well, I don't know, this area does seem pretty nice. I would consider this second tier, if not even first tier. So anyway, and a lot of you were correcting me in the comments. The true meaning of Guiyang, the Gui part means expensive and the Yang means sun, or something like that. So it's literally expensive sun, which is trying to mean that it's very rare for the sun to come out and it's always gloomy, basically. Which is probably true. Well, it is true, actually. Is that another streamer there? Or she's just taking a long selfie. Interesting. It is true, it is very dull. Every single time we've come to Guiyang, it's not been sunny at all, yeah. Wow. Oh, some more bubble tea places. Ah, my favorite store. Prick. Wow. Interesting. What's this? Concept eyes. Get my lashes done. Ah, nut store. Oh my. Anyway. What an interesting shopping mall. There are two towers in the back there. Interesting. Ah, rollerblades. Oh man, we've just been driving for like 2 hours and we've been stuck in traffic. There's just nowhere to park. Traffic, park, traffic. Another a car park, another car park, full. Oh my god. All that just to get here. We finally found a space to park.
How was the space?
Oh my god. Well, what we just actually found, we didn't actually park in a space, we just parked in a little gap somewhere. Oh my god. Oh, what a long day. There's only one way to make up for this chaos, and that is to get down to Burger King. That's the only way we can make this day any better. Jiao's getting her food because she doesn't want Burger King. Getting some vegetables on a stick, dipped in spicy sauce. Wow. Right, we're just searching for Burger King now. We're seeking out Burger King to try and make up for that chaos that we just went through on the road. 2 hours driving, getting stuck in traffic, getting stuck in car parks. I can do with a burger to settle me down. It was complete chaos. Man, where the hell is Burger King? We're still searching for Burger King. For some reason we're inside H&M now. Ah, we found it. Oh my god. We found Burger King. Push! Push the doors open. Oh, it's there. Wow. Oh my god, it's packed. OMG, it is packed. Burger King, the home of the Whopper. Wow. Wow, just look at the state of this. Just look at the state of that. That's not a triple Whopper. That is a quintuple Whopper. 5 layers of beef. Oh my god, look at this. This thing's not even on the menu. You have to get it off the secret menu. 5 patties. It's just an insane quintuple Whopper. I call it Quincy. We're having a Quincy Whopper. Oh my god, look at the state of this. Look at the state of that. Can't even fit in my mouth. Okay, so just finished that burger. And now, a bit of dessert for afters. Chocolate sundae from McDonald's. Now I've got a 3-hour drive, 3.5 hour drive back to deep China, back to the 99th tier city that we live in. So we're leaving the capital, and that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Signing off. We've been out of the house, the car's there. Look at this parking. I mean, there wasn't any spaces, there wasn't a space here. Look, so we just had to park in front of some, we're not even fully in the thing. Anyway, so we've been out for 9 hours totally exploring Guiyang. That's the end of this video. I'm gonna drive for 3.5 hours now back to the 99th tier city that you saw in one of the other videos, and then I'm gonna go sleep. That's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Signing off.